Hai lamso ani senalo noro tono so today tini ni video noro no phumai ang ani te ke phumai ang cover bai blog khlai jagi amai manja. Yeah, if you need please consider subscribe. Yeah. Roads floods right over here. Check it out, guys.
This is my right over here. He's sitting right now.
Chicken KFC tabok bananya itu so khulai dong na balik sih setelah salut slip musuri jira songai lai sini oh nih ini bongkul nih kupat it's cooking very spices. Oh my god, check it out guys, this damn is cooking right now. Yeah, subscribe his channel, new blog, Samsung blog. Already almost to finish the cook. Check it out. Also done this chicken lollipop like KFC is going to make. I'm gonna try his meat today. Almost done right now. I'm gonna test right now one piece over here. So I'm gonna have right now. This is a
Happy sudah. Hah? Boleh masuk? Yeah, it's good. Tasty. It's good. I'm trying right now. Subscribe करो, like करो, share करो, comment करो.
Already become like red one. Take care of it. If you invite here restaurant, we'll open one restaurant in Chiken. Wow, check it out guys. This is wow, it's delicious.
Kutung halo apa?
Check it out, this is sapai makri.
Mana cini borok mai, anong mai. Yang tiar lai sapai kerua. mai khuri rujak tabo mai sanai mai khuri rujak. We're gonna have food right now. Keep the curry and chili, 2 chilies right over here, you can see. And this is what traditions, what Tripura foods. Check it out, black ones, and it's like awesome and amazing one. Yeah, give it.